constantly turning on the news. There's people fighting over
Meron
point
na.
of view. Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along.
Civil lang. Kasi hindi talaga ako nun into relationship eh. Tsaka hindi ko nga rin inakala na ikakasal ako eh. Even my family.
Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you.
2 years pa lang kami ni Jeff. After a year, nag-propose agad siya sa akin nun. Then I said yes.
But I know I'm better with you. Wherever you are, it's never as dark. Whenever I start
Ang aking
slipping,
sister-in-law
you
na.
make a difference. Been there from the start. No matter how hard, whatever pieces missing, you know how to fix it. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you.
Love, in the presence of God and before our family and friends, I, Rinalyn, take you to be my husband. All that I am, I give to you, and all that I have, I share with you. Whatever the future holds, I will love you, stand by you, by your side, as long as we both shall live.
Hindi natin nakalain na magiging official tayo at papasukin ang LDR sapagkat ako ay pabalik na ng Saudi Arabia. Dahil doon, naging LDR tayo at sinubok tayo ng oras dahil sa 5 hours ang agwat ng time natin. Hindi naging madali pero hindi tayo sumuko. Nagantay tayo at nanalig sa Panginoong may kapal. Ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang puso, buhay at kaluluwa ko. Pinipilit kita ngayon at araw-araw at nangangako akong itatayo ang pagmamahalan natin upang maging isang semento na matibay na magdadala sa atin sa isa't isa na may Diyos na pundasyon at may Maria na ilaw at gabay natin palagi. Magpakailanman, ako'y iyo palagi, mahal ko.
Binata na anak ko.
Papabait ka.
Mag-aasawa na.
Binigyan niyo ako ng chance upang mag-growth yung sarili ko na mahanap yung sarili ko sa Saudi Arabia na makilala ko pa yung sarili ko. Tapos, lalo niyo akong sinusuportahan sa mga bagay na gusto kong marating sa buhay. Maraming salamat, Ma. I love you. I love you, Deng.
Tiwala naman ako sa kay Jeff kasi alam kong ano siya, mabait. Personally, kilala ko na rin naman siya kasi kapatid siya nung friend ko, yung ate niya. Tapos, very religious kasi siya. So, alam kong nasa mabuting kamay ako.
Sana hindi ka magbago. Huwag ka magbago, Linda. Give and take lang. Ganun lang talaga ang mag-asawa, mag-away, tapos bati.
I'm not telling you it's going to be easy. I'm telling you it's going to be worth it. Distance is just a test to see how far love will travel. I want you for worse or for better. This is my solo.
Make you love.
pagsubok sa inyo, magpakatatag kayo mag-asawa. I love you, anak.
Love you too, ma.
Please. At last,
At last.
you're gonna get your... Sige anak, magparami kayo ha.
We're walking together in the side by side.
Pinapangarap ko lang talaga yung mabigyan ng relo. So ngayon, thank you. Love you.
Sana magustuhan mo din at pwede mo din itong gamitin bago tayo Beep.
We lift each other when we're falling. I got your back and you got mine.
Thank you for being strong para sa amin. And dahil sa'yo, mas natuto akong maging strong and nandito pa rin ako kahit mag-aasawa na ako. Si Jeff, additional family siya sa atin. Pero tayo pa din.